Oh my goodness, you guys, Walgreens is amazing this week, and I wasn't expecting that. So I'm going to walk you through each of these deals individually. I'm going to show you how I put them all together and ended up getting everything you see here completely free. And I promise it's easier than it sounds, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So normally on Saturday nights, I sit down and I start doing matchups for Walgreens. I typically stay up past midnight to see the new sales ad become active because the prices will change from last week to this week right around midnight. And then I wake up early, or I'm supposed to wake up early on Sunday morning, and just verify that those deals are in fact still there, because you know Walgreens is a little glitchy. Without fail, every Sunday I have this conversation with myself that I don't need to get up as early as I think I do, because I should be allowed to sleep in on Sunday. The things I tell myself, ridiculous. Regardless, I always try to sleep in just a little bit longer than I actually should on Sunday mornings. Anyway, the deals I didn't think were fantastic, but because we have so many booster coupons and promotions, it ended up being ridiculously awesome. So on Wednesday or Thursday of last week, that's when the booster coupons typically pop up in the app. So always check Wednesday or Thursday in your app and clip the coupons when you see them. I had a spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash, as well as spend $25 in personal care items, get $7 in Walgreens cash. So I clipped both of those, not knowing if I would end up using them or not. I haven't used a booster coupon in a while, it feels like, and I'm actually going to give you a booster scenario today. Now, before I get into these deals individually, I want to tell you about something that happened this week that was kind of interesting. So I'll drop the link down below. I posted an Instagram video that was just a response to how I was feeling after shopping at Walmart, planning to try to put together meals as if I only had $20 to spend. And that experience left me feeling a lot of feelings. So I did a little video and I said, this is why I do what I do. Now, I got all sorts of crazy comments. And so I was just sitting back, popcorn style, just watching the comments pop up. So if you want a good laugh, check out the video and read some of the comments that popped up. Super interesting. I typically don't respond to any negative comments because that's just not where I am. But trust me, enjoy the comments. Okay, let's break these deals down one by one. Then I'm going to show you how I put them together. The Colgate is buy two, get a $4 register reward. These are $3.99 each. There is a $4 digital coupon, so pick up two. After that $4 digital coupon, you'll pay $3.98, getting back a $4 register reward if you do the deal in store. I placed it as a curbside order, and I did get $4 in Walgreens cash when I picked it up. So either way makes them completely free. Now, the Garnier this week, they are $3.29. There is a $3 manufacturer digital, as well as a $1 store digital that's going to apply to each of them. So after both of those coupons, your total would be $1.58 or just 79 cents each. Not as good as last week, but when we put it with a booster, it's going to get better, trust me. Now, the Olay, I wasn't going to do this one, but I was glad I ended up deciding to do it. Now, these are $7 each. You want to pick up 3 of them. There are 2 different promotions. There's one for $5 register reward when you buy 3. There's also a $5 register reward when you purchase $15 in products. Now, I did this as a curbside order, so I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but I picked up 3 of them at $21. I used a $5 digital coupon, so I paid $16, but sure enough, I got the $5 for buying 3 and the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $15, so I got $10 back, making it $6 for all 3, or $2 each. Again, it gets better when I add those boosters, so just stay with me for a minute. Now, the Purex, these are on sale this week for $3.79. There's a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.79. Submit that receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, making it $1.79 for this pack of Purex. Now, if you're brand new to Ibotta, get it. It's free. You get cash back. You can cash out to your bank account. You can cash out to PayPal. You can cash out to gift cards. But if you grab it using my referral code, you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, I picked these up. I actually placed this order late last night. The poise are 2 for $11. I had 2 different $3 digital coupons. So $6 came off there, making it just $5. But there was an Ibotta offer for $2 back on each of them. So I got $4 back on Ibotta, leaving my final cost to be $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. And that got me closer to my Ibotta bonus. Now, what do I want to tell you about next? The Nature's Bounty. This is another Ibotta offer. These are $7.49, buy one, get one free. Okay, so I paid $7.49 for 2. I had a $2 digital coupon, so I paid $5.49, then got back $1 on Ibotta, making it $4.49 for both, or just $2.24 each. Now, I included that with my booster scenario because I wouldn't normally spend $2 on vitamins. The Pringles, mentioned this last week, deal is still good. Pringles are $2.99, buy one, get one free. I had a $1 digital coupon off 4 Pringles. So I picked up 4 at $2.99, minus the $1 digital, minus the buy one, get one free sale, made it $4.98 for all 4, or just $1.24 each. The General Mills cereal this week is 2 for $5. There's a $1 digital, which makes it $4. Then I got back $1 on Ibotta, making it $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Now, if you don't have that $1 digital coupon, check the coupons.com app or the ShopMe'em app, because you could submit your receipt there if you didn't have the digital coupon and get $1 back for it. Now, let's talk about how I put this together. I picked up the cereal, the Pringles, the hair and nails vitamins, the Colgate, and the Garnier, and the Olay, all in one purchase. So basically everything you see here except the Purex and the Poise, I bought together with my spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, after all of the coupons, I paid $37.03, and I did pay that out of pocket. I know that's a high out of pocket for some people. How you do it is going to be how you want to do it. I paid $37 out of pocket. I got back $38 in Walgreens cash and $2 on Ibotta, making my final cost for all of those items completely free, and a $2.97 moneymaker. Now, where did that $38 in Walgreens cash come from? I got $10 for spending $50, because my total was $50 before those manufacturer coupons came off. I got $7 from my booster I had clipped of spend $25, get $7. Now, the personal care products are marked spend $25, get $7. So I got another $7 back there. Okay, so I'm already at, what is that, $10 and $14, $24 back. I got back the $5 for buying 3 on the Olay, the $5 for spending $15 on the Olay, the $4 for spending, for buying 2 on the Colgate. So that's $38 in Walgreens cash, and I paid $37.03 out of pocket. Holy cow, what a haul at Walgreens. And then the $2 in Ibotta came back here, and the cereal. So the Nature's Bounty and the cereal. So $2 back on Ibotta, making it all free at a $2.97 moneymaker. So I made almost $3 there. These only cost me $1. This cost me $1.79. So that means everything I got, free. Crazy. Now, there's a few other deals that I didn't do, and I'll pop them up here on the screen. The Quaker oatmeal, instant oatmeal, it's 2 for $7, but there's an Ibotta offer back, so it ends up being just $2.25 per box. The Nice brand peanuts are 2 for $5, not a bad price. The Jif peanut butter, $2.99. There's a 75-cent digital, which makes it just $2.24. The toilet paper, the $5 toilet paper, or the $5 paper towels, there's a $1.25 store digital. So that $1.25 is going to come off for each one that you purchase, making them $3.75 each. If you need a Valentine card, there's some at $3.69 with a $3 digital, making them just 69 cents. There are a number of different hair products that have a $1 Walgreens store coupon. The cheapest one I saw were some hair bands at $1.99, so they would be 99 cents after that coupon. So those are what I think are the best deals over at Walgreens this week. Now, if you want to replicate what I did, spend the $37, get the $38 in Walgreens cash, make sure you have those boosters that I talked about clipped, but go through Rakuten first, because if you are brand new to Rakuten, you join with my link below, completely free. When you spend $30, you're going to get $30 back from Rakuten. So let's say you're brand new, you use my link to join, you do exactly what I did here. You have the same boosters. Not only would you get $38 back in Walgreens cash, you'd get another $30 back from Rakuten. Holy cow, $68 back. You also get an additional 2% back on Rakuten. So even if you already have it, if you're doing curbside, there's no reason not to go through Rakuten first, because you're scoring an additional 2% cash back into your Rakuten account. Now, I think that was everything I wanted to tell you. If you normally like to watch my Walmart Target videos, I did not do one this past week because I had a couple of news segments that I was working on and I just couldn't get it all done. And I'm trying really hard not to overload myself on things. So that's why I didn't have a video out on that last week. Questions, drop them down below. If you're finding other amazing deals at Walgreens, please let us know down below. If you have another scenario on the personal care deal, drop it down below. Let's help each other out. I'll include a few pictures of items I saw on clearance at the end of this video. Thanks, guys.